It's going down, guys. Making my turmeric oil. About to get started. Don't forget to measure your things so that you get an accurate. Okay. All right. Trying to fix that, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Ooh, that coconut smells so good and delicious. I just want to eat it. This is the coconut I use, organic coconut. Melt this bad boy. Oh yes, so yummy. Make sure you got your protective mask on. It's not really a protective mask, but it's one of my masks that I sell on my Etsy shop. It's reversible. You can go check it out and purchase one. I also sell this bonnet, this hair bonnet I'm wearing today. Did a hair wash today, so waiting to get my hair done soon. But yeah, the bonnet and the face mask are all from my Etsy shop. Go check it out. This is also reversible, so you can do the other side. One second. Yeah, so this is the other side. I'll probably leave it at this side because it matches with my bonnet. So go get your face mask. I actually don't sell these no more. I only glued them on my in my purchases. So if you order something from me, you'll receive a free African print face mask with your purchase. But the bonnet is available on my Etsy shop and it's reversible. So go check it out and make sure you purchase. Anyway, back to soap making. Yo, this lye is so hot. So make sure you have your mask and don't let it splash on you. So we're waiting for it to get to cool down to hold on one second. So we're waiting for it to cool down to 38 Celsius. I'm using a Celsius. Gotta grind your herb, guys. This is jasmine flower and rose petals. So this is the turmeric, unscented turmeric and rosehip. I'm waiting for it to have a trace. And this is the jasmine flower and the rose petal. Waiting for all of them to have a trace. That's it for, I gotta fill up the other one, but this is a turmeric and rosehip. I gotta make the little cute embeds on top. Not embeds, but like, you know, cute patterns on top. This is the leftover. I'm gonna put it in a container. Layers, anyone? Doing this for layers. This one is just turmeric. And then this will be layered with is it jasmine flower and rose petals. Okay, it's all done. So I'm going to add the little flower embeds on top. Alright, these are my syrups. I'm just gonna let them cure for 3 to 4 weeks. This is the infused one. And this is the turmeric. This is how you make a soap ball with the rest of your soaps. The little shreds that you cut off. I made a soap ball with it, so yeah, I'm gonna let it dry with the others. Alright guys, I'm gonna let them cure for about 4 weeks or 3 weeks tops, and we'll see the end result. But yeah, these are the turmeric and jasmine and rose petal soap, and these are just the regular turmeric, so, and some rosemary infused. But yeah, I'm gonna let them cure and we'll see ya when they're ready. No pre-orders, guys. We'll be ready for purchase in 3 weeks.